Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I'm finally going to be trying a product that I have heard a lot of great things about, but never really got around to trying it. But today I am here to try MICHE's Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This is what it looks like. And on the website, it says that Bounce is a one-and-done styling cream that can be used alone to achieve the perfect balance of bouncy, defined, shiny, and hydrated hairstyles such as wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, or any style where you are looking for amazing definition without the crunch. So no need to pair a leave-in conditioner with this product. So I also purchased the Boost, which is the hydrating leave-in and curl refresher spray, and this is what that looks like. But since the directions say that this is a one and done product and you don't need to use a leave-in, I will just save that leave-in to use with another styling product in the future. So the directions say that make sure that your hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I've already shampooed my hair with MICHE's Cleanse Sulfate Free Shampoo, and I deep conditioned with the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. Next it says to section your hair and apply evenly, style hair as desired. Let's see, also it says for best results, because this product is highly concentrated, we do not recommend pairing this with a leave-in conditioner as stated earlier. It says you may experience flakes if too much product is used, so after styling your hair, allow hair to completely dry and set by sitting under a hooded dryer. In this product there are no silicones, drying alcohol, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, synthetic or artificial colors, phthalate, or animal testing. So like I said, you know, my hair is already freshly shampooed and deep conditioned, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my hair down. And this is what it is looking like. Soft, moisturized, defined. No complaints with these products. So this is what, let me go ahead and section my hair off first before I show you guys what the actual product looks like. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and open up the cream. And the smell smells very good. It's like a light, fresh scent with like a hint of like fruitiness in it. Smells really good. This is what it looks like, and it is nice and creamy, very creamy. That's what it looks like. So I am just going to go ahead and apply this a little bit to this section here, and let's see what it does. Okay, so as I'm applying it, it feels really moisturizing. I see my hair becoming shiny. It is defining my hair. It is clumping it a little as well. Usually when I use creams, like I always pair it with a gel. And I am used to the gel just, you know, immediately taking care of any type of frizz on my strands. But I really want to see how this product works on its own, so I'm not going to put any type of gel or anything on it. Just I'm going to proceed with this styling process, and once I am done, I'm going to come back and let you guys see what my wet results look like. So just stay tuned. And I also wanted to add before I go that I am not going to apply a lot of this product because I do not want it to flake. This cream is really moisturizing, so I am going to just trust in the directions and see how this works. so I am finally done applying this cream to my hair. And I can already tell from the jump that this wash and go is going to be quite froey and fluffy. So once my hair has completely dried, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. Do y'all see this? My hair is pretty much dry, except for like in the back, but y'all, I cannot do this, okay? I cannot leave my hair like this, like it doesn't even feel right. So as far as this MICHE Bounce Curl Defining Cream as a one product wash and go, for me, it's a no. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go in with the Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray just to kind of like moisten my hair a little bit more. And I think I'm going to go in and do probably a braid out and see how it goes. I think it will work better with braid outs and twist outs versus wash and goes in my opinion. But so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair into these braids, and yeah, so I'll be back once I'm done. This is how it is coming out. Kind of reminds me of the consistency of MICHE Organics White Peony Leave-In, but this is what it looks like here. Very, very light, but it has like some slight creaminess to it as well. And it smells, it kind of reminds me of the same scent as the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. But I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken my braids out and I have fluffed my hair, and I really do like the way this braid out came out. I think this Bounce Curl Defining Cream is best for braid outs or twist outs in my opinion, and not necessarily for wash and goes. This product, I believe, was $22 on their website, and I believe the refresher spray was $18. I'll have the prices here on the screen if I am wrong. And so yeah, comment down below and let me know if you have tried either of these products before and what you thought about them. I am really curious to see if any of you have used this Bounce Curl Defining Cream for a wash and go and your results came out great. So yeah, just comment that down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.